Good morning, students. Chapter 7, Class 8th, Algebraic Identity. Identity number second, a minus b square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b square means a minus b multiplied by a minus b, so is equal to a into a minus b into a minus b. A square minus ab plus b square. We get a square minus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we can write it as b minus a whole square is equal to b square minus 2ba plus b square, or you can say a square minus 2ab plus b square is equal to a minus b square. So we can say a minus b square is equal to b minus a whole square. Okay, now come on activity second. Activity second, first of all we have a square. We have a square of each a, that is a square. Out of this we cut b, then left a minus b. So here a minus b square, is equal to a square plus b square minus ab or minus ab is equal to 2ab. It means this square is equal to, out of this we cut b, then we get a minus b. तो a माइनस बी का जो होल स्क्वायर है वो आएगा जैसे ए स्क्वायर आउट ऑफ दिस व्हेन वी एड द मतलब b इंटू दिस प्लस b इंटू ए माइनस बी. तो बाय सिंप्लीफिकेशन वी गेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट वर्कशीट 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Find the following by using identity 2. X minus 7 whole square is equal to x square minus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 7 plus 7 square is equal to x square minus 14x plus 49. Again, next 5a minus 4b whole square is equal to 5a square minus 2 multiplied by 5a multiplied by 4b plus 4b square, that comes 25a square minus 40ab plus 16b square. Question number 3, 7x by 4 minus 2y by 3 whole square is equal to 7x by 4, that is first term square, minus 2 multiplied by first term multiplied by second term plus 2y by 3 whole square, that is of second term. After simplification we get 49 by 16x square minus 7 by 3xy plus 4y square by 9 answer. Okay, again 8mn minus 3pq whole square is equal to 8mn whole square minus 2 multiplied by 8mn multiplied by 3pq plus 3pq whole square, that is 64. 8 का square 64. m square n square means n square minus 2 8 or 3 multiply, that is 48 mn pq plus 3 square 9 p square q square q square. Again 0.1x minus 0.5y square is equal to 0.1x square minus 2 multiplied by 0.1x multiplied by 0.15y plus 0.5y whole square. Now 0.1 x square, here we have to multiply 0.1 multiplied by 0.1, we get 0.01. तो 0.01 x square minus minus 2 multiplied by this we get 0.1 xy plus 0.5 multiplied by 0.5 we get 0.25 y square. This is the answer. Come on next, that is a square minus b square whole square, that is a square सारे का स्क्वायर minus 2 multiplied by a square multiplied by b square plus b square सारे का स्क्वायर. नाउ a स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर है a की 4 minus 2a square b square plus b की 4. Question number 2, evaluate by using identity 2. Here we must use identity 2. First, 48 whole square. We can multiply 48 square is equal to 48 multiplied by 48. We can directly multiply 48 by 48, then we can accurate answer. But we can't do like this. We have to do this by using identity 2. First of all, 48 can be written as 50 minus 2 whole square. Now 50 is the first term and 2 is the second term. So 50 whole square minus 2 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 2 plus 2 whole square, that is 2500 minus 200 plus 4. After simplification this whole we get 2304. Again question number part number second, 9.9 whole square is equal to 10 minus 0.1 whole square is equal to 10 whole square minus 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square, that is equal to 100 square minus 2.0 plus 0.01. So we get 98 minus 0.1 after simplification of this whole. Now 299 whole square can be written as 300 minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 300 whole square minus 2 multiplied by 300 multiplied by 1 plus 1 square is equal to 90,000 minus 600 plus 1. After simplification this all we get 89,401. Okay, now come on, 98 whole square can be written as 100 minus 2 whole square is equal to 100 square minus 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2 plus 2 whole square. We get 100 square is equal to 10,000 minus 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 2 400 plus 4. After simplification this we get 9,604. 87 square is equal to 90 minus 3 whole square is equal to 90 square minus 2 multiplied by 90 multiplied by 3 plus 3 square is equal to 8,100 minus 540 plus 9. After simplification we get 7,569. Last, that is 6th, 19.9 whole square is equal to 20 minus 0.1 whole square is equal to 20 square minus 2 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 0.1 plus 0.1 whole square, that is equal to 400 minus 4.0 plus 0.01 is equal to 396.01. Okay, this is our worksheet 2. Thanks a lot.